Okay, now in order to get access to your files, you're going to need to be able to access the files on your server. And the best way to do that is to pick up a free program called FileZilla, and you'll see it right there. If you go Google FileZilla, it'll be the first thing to come up. FileZilla, the free FTP solution. You're going to click that link, and then when you click that link, you're going to be given the opportunity to either use the server or the client, and you're going to use the FileZilla client, and you want to download that to your hard drive, and then you want to install it. Now, once you do that and you get FileZilla installed, you're going to need some information from your server company. You're going to need, now, obviously, you'll know what your domain name is. They're going to give you a username to get access to all of your files on your server. Now, you'll need to get that again from the server company. They will either issue your password, or you'll have to create one that you'll be able to remember. And then once you have this information, you'll then be able to log in to your to your website's files, or to its back office, so that you can upload files to it. Okay, now you're going to look and you're going to see some folders that are down here. And what you're going to be using here in this particular case is you're going to be using the public HTML folder. And if you're going to use this domain for only your squeeze page, you're going to put all your files into the public HTML folder. Okay, so that's pretty much what you're going to do. And now if you're going to use a directory, you'll simply right click and then create a certain directory if you're going to put your product there, if you're going to be using this domain for several products, which you can do. I mean, that's certainly a viable option, but this will now give you access to all of your files, and it'll allow you to upload those files to FileZilla. So let me kind of show you what you're going to do once you log in. And I'm going to create a directory here called Dating for Dudes, and that's where I'm going to be putting my squeeze page. Now, once again, your squeeze page is going to be probably within the domain itself. You're not going to have to create a separate directory. Okay, you're going to see some other files there because I've got some other activity in this domain, but mainly you're going to see that I created this subdomain, or this subdirectory called Dating for Dudes, and that's where I'm going to upload all of my all of my squeeze page files to. Okay, so then once you've done this, you are now ready to start taking the squeeze page template files that you have been editing, and you're ready to start uploading them to your server. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.